What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Sal. This is my SPY SPX E-mini S&P 500 warning for the general public. Here's the thing. I put out a video last week telling you guys that the most you're going to get out of this market are these $2-3 a week moves. And I was spot on and have been spot on since last week. We were all very impressed with that pop above the upper Keltner channel, talking that bullish momentum is back, at least momentarily. And I still think we head higher, but I still believe it's going to be at a snail's pace. Why? I believe that higher prices are just another opportunity for people who have significant gains in the market to sell and liquidate their positions. I don't think that many of you who believe you're going to get an explosive move to, 30.80 to 30.60, that's not going to happen. And I'm willing to stand by that. It's just not going to happen. The macroeconomic data continues to get horrible. Goldman Sachs came out today and say buybacks are going down. They're actually cutting back on the buybacks that have been helping you to get to these levels. You had McDonald's, the Golden Arches, 16 earnings in a row, not missing it, and missed today. That is huge. Company with a lot of ETF exposure, boom, gone, took the market with it. You were saved on the last hour of the day. That's the only reason why you ended up green. Now, here's the thing. We also had crude volume come in today, showing that crude prices actually rose today based on the lower volume. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I still think, again, we go a little higher, but it's still going to be very slow. So that's why I'm so excited about you guys who are still buying these 30-10 calls in SPY, 30-10 in SPX. I'm just going to sell those. I'm going to continue to sell those. And I think you get there, but you're just going to hang out. You're going to hang out over there. And that's what it is. That's just what it's going to be. Why? Let's look at the lower time frames and prove that to you. So here's the thing. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. You know my favorite moving average is 10 and 25. And if you look at it right now, it's deceptively looks still relatively strong, right? We're pretty wide here, but let's zoom in even a little bit closer. Let's go half in there, go 2 hours. So we know that in the moving average strategy, crossover strategy, the wider the moving averages, the stronger the price action. The closer the moving averages, the weaker the price action. So on a 2-hour time frame, we've seen now over the last 11 days or so, price action is actually slowing in the S&P 500. We're actually getting weaker over the last several days. There's some weakness developing here. In fact, if you go even closer to the 45-minute, you actually will see we've actually already crossed over. Now, you were saved in the last hour of the day. The last hour of the day saved your ass. Now, I don't know why and what. I mean, we all know what's going on in here with the Fed and QE. But with that being said, there's a lot of danger still at this market. And again, that's why I continue to believe that if you are someone who is selling out of the money options, if you're doing these iron condors, you're going to continue to be a winner. You've been a winner for many months, going back to May, June. You're going to continue to be a huge winner in the markets as we continue to go up at a snail's pace. Ladies and gentlemen, look, all you got to do is go pull up an IWM or a Russell 2000 chart to prove it. I'll talk about those in the next couple videos. But with that being said, look, I've got a great course coming out called the Simple Trading Method that's going to show you how to make money on time frames like this. I'm making so much I can't even put it out there because I know most of you guys won't believe me. It is what it is. With that being said, though, continue to stay on top of this market. And ladies and gentlemen, for those of you guys who are going to be those directional call buyers, put a lot of time on your options. Look at this. I mean, just look, go back a month. We're literally at the same place. And then go back a month before that. And then a month before that. You gotta go back to all the way to July to see we haven't gone anywhere. I mean, technically, we haven't really gone anywhere in a year and a half, but I digress. Don't want to sound like a hater, just trying to let the people know what's going on. It's your boy Sal. Don't want to be on for too long. I know these shorter videos is where I'm kind of really trying to take these things. All right. So until next time, I'm out. Take care. Subscribe. I'm out. Trade well.